Hi, are you looking for a premium property in Pune? Well, you've arrived at the right destination. I am Ekta Kapoor and this is Property Cloud, India's only prop tech online platform. Well, what is a prop tech online platform? यहाँ पर you can do virtual site visits and also physical site visits. Well, of course, virtual site visits is something that you can do at the comfort of your house. But then once you want to go and see the property, we provide you absolutely free pickup and drop services. Once that is done, then we can also help you with a lot of offers and discounts once you are booking the property with us. And also this is absolutely zero brokerage because we connect you directly with the developers, and that's the reason there are no middlemen involved. Well, today, me Ekta Kapoor, I have got you over here at this very special premium ultra luxurious project which is located right next to Nasik Fata, and this is called as the Godrej Emerald Waters. So as I was telling you about this premium project being located at a premium location, what exactly is this premium location all about? This is right behind me. Take a closer look at it. Now, as you can see that the project is located right on the old Mumbai-Pune highway, and it is right opposite Sant Tukaram Nagar metro station. From this place, Nasik Fata is hardly 900 meters. That is just a 2-minute drive, and that makes it ease of access for you to travel everywhere. Along with that, the infrastructure of PCMC has always been very famous, and that's the reason this premium property is located at one of the most premium locations. And along with that, such a big land parcel in Pimpri area is actually a very rare thing. Now, why? If you ask me, I still have the answer for it. Stay tuned and I'm going to tell you why. And now I'm going to tell you about the master layout. When I told you about the land parcel, I did not mention what is the size of the land parcel. This is a 7.8 acre land parcel which will have 7 towers. Let's take a look at the master layout. And if the master layout did not give you a fair idea, here is what will give you the fair idea. This is the project 3D model. Now here you can see this is the frontage, and this is going to have 116 retail outlets. That is a 174-meter high street area. And this that you can see is the ground floor amenities, which will be in 0.8 acres, which will be a senior citizen sit-out area, a gazebo, and the cycling track, the walking track, the jogging track, the parking, the driveway. And now it's time to take a look at the towers. There are going to be total 7 towers, which will be of 32 to 33 floors each. And now let me tell you a little more about the amenities. The amenities that you can see over here are all podium level amenities. And here you can see the clubhouse, which is of 21,000 square feet, and also another clubhouse which will have different kind of amenities. This one is going to be with a swimming pool which is half Olympic size, and also a kids pool. Along with it, it will also have an aqua treadmill and also a resistance pool, which is usually found only in clubs which are commercial. This is being a residential project, it's gonna have it. There is a basketball court that you can see. Now 1110 square feet 3 BHK is indeed spacious, but how and why, I'm going to tell you once we enter the apartment. Before we enter, let's take a look at the security. Security check done. They're going to provide you with your door phones and also a digital door lock which can be operated with your fingerprint, with a digital key, with a numeric lock, and also a physical key. Of course, this is going to be by Godrej because this is Godrej Properties. And once we are talking about the entrance, let's not miss one small point, and that is that there are going to be rubber strips over here on the door so that the doors have a longer life. And at the entrance is this foyer area. Now this cute compact foyer area over here provides enough space for your shoe racks and storage unit. From here we enter right into the grand living and dining area. Now the living and dining area has been given in a proper huge rectangular format, and this actually saves out on a lot of space because the usual L-shaped ones obstruct a lot of way, you know. So this one is really good. Now when I'm going into the balcony, let me also tell you that if you cannot hear any sound from outside, the reason is this 12 mm thick glass. All the windows, all the doors in the house which are made of glass have been provided with a 12 mm thick glass which avoids all the noise coming from outside. Of course, because we're located at a prime location on the highway, there is going to be a lot of sound, and this protects you from it. So being at a prime location and still having the luxury of being in a silent house. Now walking right into the living and the dining area, we're going to move towards the kitchen. The kitchen also does have some specialities which I'm going to tell you. One of them is that there is no straight wall over here. There's just this small partition that divides your living and the kitchen, but it is more spacious. Let's come inside and see it. The kitchen comes with this L-shaped granite slab which ends over here at your vegetable sink, but along with that also take a look at the modular kitchen. This is something, the kitchen trolleys, the cabinets is something that you will get with your apartment over here. Now let's take a quick look at the utility area. The utility area opens with this glass door, and even this one is a 12 mm thick glass, and there is also an additional window provided over here for extra ventilation and also an exhaust fan. Now it's time to move into the dry utility area. The dry utility area comes with these anti-skid tiles on the flooring and is also covered from 3 sides, on the top and on the sides. There is pretty good space over here for your washing machines and dishwashers. And now let's get back into the balcony. Now the balcony over here has been provided with these anti-skid flooring which also have a beautiful wooden finish to it, and it comes covered from 3 sides. There's a toughened glass railing right over here which comes with a stainless frame stale, and also over here is this railing so that you can enjoy your evenings and enjoy the view as well. Let's now walk into the bedrooms and the common washroom area. This is the common area and here is your common washroom. Let's take a look at it. This comes with anti-skid tiles and dado tiles on the walls, and it also comes with CP sanitary fittings which are premium by Kohler. And here is the kids' bedroom. Now the kids' bedroom has this very beautiful window over here which is a low-lying window, because of which what happens is that there is a very large surface area that allows in great lighting that comes in, and along with that half of this is fixed. Now half of it saying fixed gives you a feel of a standing balcony wherein you can enjoy the views, but still there is safety and security. And these glasses also are 12 mm thick, and they also come with a pre-fitted mosquito net. Now one thing that you did not notice from the balcony is this additional access to the balcony right from here. So you have a very cute window over here which also opens into the balcony, because of which there is also cross ventilation and ample lighting again. And now it's time to move into the rest of the bedrooms of the house. This is the guest bedroom over here, and it again comes with this really big window that we saw in the kids' bedroom, which again has the same facility like a pre-fitted mosquito net, half of the window being fixed in a glass fixture and half of it being a sliding one. Again, the 12 mm thick glasses are of course there, and along with that there is again another window in this room which is right at one of the corners, so that again there is ample cross ventilation. And now it's time to take a look at the attached toilet and wash to the guest bedroom. Even this one comes with anti-skid tiles and the dado tiles on the wall, and the CP sanitary fittings yet again by premium Kohler. And here is the master bedroom. Now all the doors of the house are pre-fitted again with the same rubber strips that we saw at the main entrance. And now let's take a look at the master bedroom over here. Because as I said earlier that these are premium homes, ultra luxurious homes, so that's the reason the bedroom also comes with a balcony. I'm going to show that to you in the end. Right now let me show you the attached toilet and wash, which is right over here. So this one also comes with anti-skid tiles and also wall-to-wall vitrified dado tiles. The CP sanitary fittings are still a part of Kohler and a part of the standard flat furnishings. And now here we are into the balcony. The 12 mm thick glass noise cancellation allows you right into the balcony. And here we also have the similar kind of tiles that we saw in the living room. Come outside so that I can go inside. And also it is covered from 3 sides. And it comes with this toughened glass railing which comes with a stainless steel frame. And now that you've seen this beautiful property and you want to book a property site visit over here, as I told you initially that your pickup and drop facilities are absolutely free and you can also do a virtual tour. Well, this is the kind of virtual tour that you will be doing of all the properties over here at Property Cloud with me, Ekta. And for any further details, if you need anything, do not forget that in the caption we have mentioned a link on which you can click and you can get in touch with us. Also, do not forget to mention in the comments how did you like this property, and for any conversations we are always open. Do let me know how did you like this project. Thank you.